What do we do when conversation is tough, but relationship is important? Almost everyone dreads the difficult, challenging conversation, and this can be conversations in which we have to deliver unpleasant news or discuss a delicate subject or talk about something that needs to change or has gone wrong. Just thinking about having these conversations, whether it is with the partner, a child, especially teenager or adult child, relatives, friends, or co workers, it can fill people with anxiety and fear, taking up space in your mind. So, what do you do? What do you currently do with the stress that you experience when you are in a situation where you know it is a tough conversation coming, but relationship is important? So, some of the options can be nothing, mental chewing and increasing the intensity, passing of time or decreases intensity, or you can go into emotional eating for distraction, or some people can take on drinking alcohol or smoke, or somebody else can do yoga and meditation, get a massage, talk to friends. I personally go for my regular Panchakarma treatments, which support me in anchoring myself. So, what do we need to do? So, one is we have to remember the purpose of having this conversation and why this is tough. What is happening? What are my buttons that are being pushed? Why am I emotional? What is being triggered? And who is the other person at the other end? What are their needs? What are their fears? And some of the things that we can do is practice that conversation. Another one I will highly recommend is calm down and breathe. Just breathing will, and we do it all the time, but still, when we breathe, it has an effect of calming down the nervous system when we are breathing consciously. And do some de stressing before that crucial conversation and get so that you get the emotions right and anchor yourself. So there are many ways that we use as in Ayurveda. There are herbs, there are diet and lifestyle things, there are treatments that we can uh, get and give here. So there are few things, but basically as we anchor ourselves and watch where are we anchoring ourselves, supported by meditation, supported by breathing, supported by diet, supported by lifestyle. There are quite a few things that we can do so that we can handle those conversations which are tough, but the relationship is important and we must have a win-win situation. And we all have those situations where we have to have those conversations. It could be an employer who needs to um, let go of people in their company. It could be talking to a teenager, it could be talking to a partner, it could be talking to parent, any of those. But just anchoring self is extremely important. And what are your strategies? Have a look. And if you need any support in finding those strategies with Ayurveda, contact us and we would look to forward to work with you. Thanks.